All right, we're at the Robert and Hasenyager Great Salt Lake Nature Preserve. I don't know how to say that name. Sorry, I apologize. It seems like they close at 4:30 back here. This is the visitor center. Guess that would have been cool to check out, but so we got a bit of a walk until we actually get to the trail that we're heading to, but it's already kind of a cool area. Swampy. Expect to see some birds, and here's the start of the nature trail. Controlled trapping is in progress. Alright, well, this is where you go to trap if you want. Cool. We are going to do the red trail, so it's 1.6 miles. We got the beautiful Wasatch Mountains right there, looking all majestic and shit. Oh, beautiful. Actually, some really pretty scenery. Alright, we are approaching our first bullfrog pond. I'm gonna be quiet here for a second. They're out there. We're approaching a cool little dock. Frogs singing all around us, birds everywhere, geese coming back. Beautiful time of year, actually. Before you know it, this will all be green and grown, and spring will be in full swing. I want to come camp on this thing. Well, this is nice. My guess is that there's carp in here. Come throw your fishing rod right here. Come sit back and chill and catch some carp. Well, I'm a sucker for bridges. It's absolutely beautiful. What? Well, that wasn't freaky at all. Oh, felt like there's more. Yep. Couple more right here. Can hear him, but he's not jumping out. Good for him. He might have a chance against a hunter. so far we've enjoyed it. Really nice, beautiful walk. A lot of different scenery too. That's pretty cool. It's like a wall of grass. Well, the whole end was right along that canal. It wasn't as pretty as over here in the swampy area, but overall it was a really good hike. Really beautiful. Get my 2 miles in. So thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time.